Yes, students. In our previous video, we started this chapter To the Glacier. It is written by Ruskin Bond, and this lesson is all about some boys who were going on an adventurous task. They were going to the glacier and they thought that it would be a stiff climb. They want to visit Dark Bungalow that was situated at well over 10,000 feet above the sea level. And then suddenly they see that there are no trees and the bungalow dropped out of sight. Then they saw blue and pink alpine flowers. Now they can see the snow peaks near to them. And then they passed by waterfalls that the water pouring down very fast, hundreds of feet down into the little river. Now they say that there was no sign of habitation of, and only creatures like snow leopards, bears, means wild animals were there. And then they see a field of snow. Why it is called a field, the white field? Why it is called the white field? Because it is covered by snow and ice. That is why it is called white field. And this white field is hanging delicately between two peaks. Okay, and they thought that it could only have been the habitation of the god, the living place of the god only. Then they were surprised to see themselves in a place where no one would go before. So now we will move forward to the next pages. Let's get started. A few black rocks jutted out from the snow, and we sat down on them to feast our eyes on the view. The sun reflected sharply from the snow, and we felt surprisingly warm. Within half an hour, I was a postbox red, and so was Vishnu, and the two of us decided to get into our clothes before the sun scorched the skin off our backs. At a distance, however, the clouds had covered some of the peaks, and a white mist drifted down the mountain slope. We had not gone far when lightning began about the mountain tops, followed by waves of thunder. Let's run. We can't we can take shelter in the cave, shouted Anil. The rain came down suddenly and the icy wind whipped our faces. So, a few black rocks jutted out from the snow. Means there are we can see the few black rocks that were coming out from the snow. क्यों स्नो से बाहर निकल रही थी वो? क्योंकि जो है वो सन अभी जो वहाँ पर सूरज है वो निकल गया था, वहाँ पर धूप फैल रही थी. दैट्स वाई जो उनके ऊपर जो बर्फ़ जमी हुई थी वो हट रही थी और इसलिए वो स्नो से बाहर आ रही थी. जटेड आउट मीन्स केमिंग आउट और स्टक आउट. ओके, and we sat down on them. and then they sat down on the rocks to feast our eyes on the view. Feast means, वैसे तो हम कहते हैं कि भोजन होता है जैसे फीस्ट. फीस्ट और आइस मीन्स कि वो अपनी आँखों को मतलब वो देख रहे थे और उसका आनंद ले रहे थे. They were enjoying the view. The sun reflected sharply from the snow and we felt surprisingly warm. Then he says that the sun reflected sharply from the snow means the sun is rising uh, gradually, and we felt surprisingly warm. Within half an hour, I was a post box red. What is the meaning of post box red? मीन्स कि पोस्ट बॉक्स रेड होता है बिल्कुल. तो पोस्ट बॉक्स रेड मीन्स कि इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई थी. विद इन हाफ एन आवर आई वॉज फीलिंग दैट आई हैव बिकम रेड लाइक पोस्ट बॉक्स, लाइक अ पोस्ट बॉक्स मीन एज रेड एज पोस्ट बॉक्स. ये कंपैरिजन किया गया है यहाँ. एंड सो वॉज विष्णु, और ऐसा ही विष्णु के साथ हुआ. And the two of us decided to get into our clothes before the sun scorched the skin off our backs. And they decided to get into their clothes before their skin got burnt in the sunlight. Means the bright the sun was shining brightly, and that is why they thought that they should take shelter, or they should get into the clothes. At a distance, however, the clouds had covered some of the peaks and a white mist drifted down the mountain slope. At a distance, the clouds had covered. However, there were clouds, although the sun was shining brightly, okay, but there were some clouds on the peaks and white mist drifted down. Drifted down means slip down. White mist means जो धुंध है, जो कोहरा है, उसे मिस्ट कहते हैं, fog. White mist slipped down the mountain slope. आपने देखा होगा माउंटेन में, माउंटेन्स के ऊपर वो ज़्यादा ऊपर होते हैं, तो इसलिए उनकी जो ऊपर वाली जो पीक्स होती हैं वो स्नो से ढक जाती हैं. ठीक है. वी हैड नॉट गॉन फार when lighting begins. He says that now we had not gone far, but before we could go somewhere to take shelter. But before that, lightning began about the mountain tops, followed by the waves of thunder. And there was thundering also, means कि जो बिजली चमकने लग गई थी और जोर जोर से जो बादल हैं वो गरजने लग गए थे. Let's run, we can take shelter in the cave, shouted Anil. Anil says that let's run, we can take shelter in the cave. The rain came down suddenly. Came down suddenly means कि पहले तो वो जो पीक्स हैं उसके ऊपर हो रही थी, और उसके बाद जो रेन है वो धीरे धीरे नीचे आई, अचानक से. came down suddenly and the icy wind whipped our faces, and we felt that icy wind means the wind was very cold. The icy wind slapped our faces. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे उसके जोर जोर से थप्पड़ लग रहे हो हमारे फेस के ऊपर. इतनी मतलब तेज़ थी वो, बहुत शार्प और बहुत कूल वाइंड थी. We ran as fast as we could along the slippery path and stumbled into the little cave. We ran as fast as we could and along the slippery path because the way was slippery, and stumbled into the little cave. Stumbled into means came into or go into. Okay, हम उसके अंदर चले गए केव के अंदर, हालांकि जो रास्ता था वो बहुत स्लिपरी था. We were drenched and exhausted. They means they were wet, drenched, bhigna, and exhausted. They felt tired. We remained at the entrance We remained at the entrance of the cave watching the rain sweep past us. मीन्स कि जो बारिश है वो ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे उनके पीछे पीछे उनके साथ साथ बढ़ रही है। वो भाग के जैसे केव के अंदर गए तो ऐसा लगा कि बारिश भी उनके पीछे पीछे चल रही है। Anil took out his pocket knife and to pass the time we carved our names in the smooth rock of the cave. Means the smooth rock of the cave means there are some rocks whose surfaces was very smooth and we um, to pass the time we carved our names on the rocks. Okay, उन्होंने वो जो नाइफ निकाला उस नाइफ से उन्होंने वहाँ पर अपने नाम को खोदना शुरू कर दिया। कार्व मीन्स क्या होता है, जैसे खोदते हैं हम कोई चीज़ को। It had grown dark by the time the rain stopped. And when the rain stopped, it had grown dark. It has been night there. A full moon helped us find our way. But the night was full moonlight, and that is why it helped us to find our way. We sent we went slowly and carefully. The rain had loosened the earth, and suddenly our path vanished. Because of the rain, the soil became soft. Loosened the earth means the soil became soft and suddenly our path vanished. Means we could not see our path from where we came. The rain had caused a landslide, and because of rain, there were लैंडस्लाइड का तो आपको पता होगा, जो लैंड अपनी जगह से जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होने की वजह से जो हिली एरियाज़ होते हैं वहाँ पर जो लैंड होती है वो बहुत सॉफ्ट हो जाती है और उस वजह से वो नीचे की तरफ मतलब उसमें धंस जाती है नीचे, तो उसे लैंडस्लाइड कहते हैं। Had it not been for the bright moonlight, we might have walked straight into an empty void. There was only a loose, slippery shale on the narrow path. We decided not to go further and returned to the cave. Means if it had not been a bright moonlight, we might have walked straight into an empty void. Means we might have walked into a big hole or space. Void means a big hole or space. There was only a loose, slippery shale. Means there was only a loose, slippery, smooth, soft rock on the narrow path. We decided not to go further and return to the cave. That is why there it may be dangerous. It may be dangerous because एक तो रात हो गई थी वहाँ, और एक जो मतलब वहाँ की जो धरती है वो सॉफ्ट हो गई थी और उनके पैर फिसल रहे थे। अगर वो ब्राइट मूनलाइट ना होती तो शायद हम इतना भी नहीं चल पाते और किसी भी जो एम्प्टी वॉइड है उसके अंदर धंस जाते। देखिए यहाँ पर ये दिया हुआ है कि पता ही नहीं चल रहा था कि कहाँ पर सॉफ्ट है और कहाँ पर अर्थ वो जो है हार्ड है। We got up as soon as there was a faint glow in the sky. We took the path to the landslide and once again looked for way across. Kamal ventured to take a few steps on the loose pebbles, but the ground gave way immediately and we had to grab him by his arms. Means they decided not to go further and return to the cave. We got up as soon as there was a faint glow in the sky. कि वो तभी उठे जब थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का हल्का जो है ग्लो मीन्स थोड़ी सी जो है ब्राइटनेस आ गई वहाँ पर। वी टुक द पाथ टू द लैंडस्लाइड, जहाँ पर लैंडस्लाइड हुई थी वहाँ पर हमने रास्ता लिया। एंड वंस अगेन लुक्ड फॉर अ वे अक्रॉस, और then they tried again to look for the way. Kamal ventured to take a few steps on the loose pebble, and Kamal tried to take a few steps on the loose pebbles, but the ground gave way immediately. But the ground slipped immediately, and we had to grab him by the arms and shoulders to prevent him from sliding about 100 feet down the gorge. मीन्स अगर हमने उसे नहीं पकड़ा होता तो वो 100 फीट डाउन नीचे जा सकता था, क्योंकि एकदम से वहाँ से जो लैंडस्लाइड हुई और वो नीचे की तरफ मतलब उसका पैर चला गया, तो हमें एकदम से उसे पकड़ना पड़ा। यहाँ पर ये देखिए एकदम से उन्हें उसे पकड़ना पड़ा। वी विल हैव टू लुक फॉर अनदर वे सेड विष्णु। देन दे डिसाइडेड टू लुक फॉर एन अनदर वे बिकॉज दैट वे माइट बी डेंजरस फॉर दैम। We were soon on the glacier and we remained on it for long time. Means they were soon on the glacier and we remained on it for a long time. मतलब वो पिछली रात से यहाँ थे, तो that is why he is saying that we remained on it for a long time. For every few steps forward, we slid one step backward. Oh, and they think that they had taken a step forward, but then they saw that this step was backward. Our progress was slow and awkward. मीन्स ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे हम तो सोचे थे हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन हम वापस उसी जगह पे आ रही हैं. Sometimes after advancing several yards across the ice at a steep incline, one of us would slip back and the others would have to slither down to help him. Then he says that our progress was very slow and awkward. Sometimes after advancing several yards, कि जब वो काफ़ी यार्ड्स आगे चले जाते across the ice at a steep incline. Steep incline means जो गहरा जो झुकाव होता है. One of us would slip back. तो उनमें से एक जो वो 3-4 जो बॉयज़ थे, उनमें से एक जो है स्लिप बैक, वो फिसल जाता एंड द अदर्स वुड हैव टू स्लीदर डाउन. स्लीदर मीन्स स्लाइड इन एन अनकंट्रोल्ड वे. मीन्स दे हैव टू slither down, they have to slip down, slide down to help him up. Okay? At one particularly difficult spot, और एक particularly difficult spot में I sprained my wrist. मीन्स उसकी जो रिस्ट थी वो मुड़ गई एंड हर्ट माई नी, और उसके जो घुटने पर चोट लगी. बट somehow I struggled behind the others. But somehow I managed to walk with others. Now we had another steep climb before we reached the path that Vishnu had spoken about. Means कि अब फिर से एक इसी तरह जो बड़ी ही टेढ़ी मेढ़ी क्लाइंब जो थी वो बिफोर वी रीच द पाथ दैट विष्णु हैड स्पोकन अबाउट. जिस पाथ के बारे में विष्णु ने बोला था, उस पाथ पर पहुंचने से पहले भी हमारे सामने एक और स्टीप क्लाइंब आई. इट वॉज लिटिल मोर दैन अ गो ट्रैक, बट इट टुक अस राउंड द माउंटेन एंड ब्रॉट अस विद इन साइट ऑफ द डार्क बंगलो. यस, गॉड ट्रैक मीन्स, वैसे तो ये बहुत ही छोटा रास्ता था. गॉड ट्रैक वही होता है जो बहुत ही पतला रास्ता होता है, छोटा रास्ता होता है, जो सीधा रास्ता होता है. बट इट टुक अस राउंड द माउंटेन. लेकिन इसमें इतनी ज़्यादा मुश्किलें आई कि हम पूरे माउंटेन के चारों तरफ घूम गए एंड ब्रॉट अस विद इन साइट ऑफ द डार्क बंगलो. और फिर हमने लास्ट में ये डार्क बंगलो देखा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस चैप्टर हैज़ बिन completed and now you will have to read it out and then have to find out the exercises of this lesson. Till then, bye bye.